In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Sam's Club virtual gift card email delivery. To get started, head over to the Sam's Club website and sign in to your membership account. Make sure you're using the correct account before you begin, since your order details and delivery information will be tied to that login. If you're not signed in, some digital purchase options or account features may not appear as expected. Once you're in, start browsing for digital gift cards. A quick way to do this is to search for terms like email delivery or e-gift cards. As you look through the results, pay attention to the product labels. You're looking for gift cards that clearly say they are available for email delivery. This is important because not every gift card on the site is delivered digitally, so checking the listing carefully can save you time. After you find the virtual gift card you want, choose the value you'd like to purchase and add it to your cart. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the correct amount and that the product is the email delivery version, especially if there are physical and digital options for the same brand. Next, move on to checkout. Enter your payment information and place the order. Before submitting, double check that the email address connected to your Sam's Club account is accurate. That's where the digital gift card or redemption code will be sent, so even a small typo could delay access. Once your purchase is complete, you'll need to wait for the email delivery. In many cases, the order arrives within about 60 minutes. However, some purchases may take longer, sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours if additional verification is needed. So if it doesn't show up right away, that doesn't always mean there's a problem. When the email arrives, open it and review the contents. It should include your gift card code or instructions for redeeming it. If you don't see the message in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well, since automated delivery emails can sometimes end up there. Finally, if your goal is to send the gift card to someone else, go to the Sam's Club Digital Delivery Center, find your purchase, and choose the Send as Gift option. That will let you forward the digital gift card to the recipient by email in a more polished way. And that's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to purchase, receive, and share a Sam's Club virtual gift card by email without any confusion.